I just want to share that I found this website, you know, this extralanguage.com / Malay quiz. So I got intrigued. I just want to try you know, whether I will pass this test, this quiz. So let's see. So let's put our name.
Can you give me the scissors?
Wait, baby, I'm taking this test, okay?
What are you?
Okay, what is the correct translation for the word telephone? Of course, very basic. Telephone, letter C. Right? You wanna take the test with me?
Yes.
Okay, you sit lang. How do you say good morning in Malay? Salamat? Pagi.
Pagi.
Okay. How do you say good afternoon? Salamat.
Salamat.
Good afternoon is tingahari. Salamat jalan. Petang. Salamat petang. Letter B. How do you say good evening? Salamat malam. Letter D. Right? What is the correct translation for please? Please is? No, maaf is sorry.
Kira.
Sila? No. I thought it's tolong. No answer. I don't know.
Try to press hello.
Okay, let's just press hello. I'll say hi
in
to
Malay. Hi.
Okay. How do you say thank you? Terima kasih.
Yes. Terima kasih, I know.
What is the correct translation for thank you very much? Terima kasih banyak. How do you say sorry? Oh, I told you earlier, right? Maaf. Yes.
That's so easy.
Yes. How do you say hello?
Hello.
Hello is hello. Yes.
Hello is hello.
How do you say goodbye? Salamat jalan. Yes. Which picture shows Kiri? Kiri is left. Left is this one. Yes. What is the correct translation for right? Kanan.
Yes.
You're so good in Malay already, huh? How do you say water?
Are you?
Very good. You're learning well, Malay. Good job.
Sometimes I learn.
Which picture shows susu? How to know which one is milk? Is this milk? Letter A?
Yup. This one.
Okay. Which picture shows coffee? Coffee is this one. Yes. Coffee is coffee. What is the correct translation for hospital?
Hospital.
How do you say taxi? Taxi.
Taxi.
Yes, good job. Letter
I was about to
A.
say it. You just say it first.
Okay. What is the correct translation for credit card? Card credit. Letter A.
I was about to say it.
Okay, you say faster. Oh, this one. What is this? Which word represents this image? It's key. Kunci. Kunci is key in Malay. Yes. Do you know that? Oh, this one. Which would represent this image?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Yeah, this is a bicycle.
I said bicycle, not bicycle.
In Malay, it's bicycle.
I said bicycle.
No. How do you say car in Malay? Kereta.
I remember it's kereta.
Yes, I know
just want
you know.
to say it.
Just say it with Daddy. Which word represents this image? This is kereta api.
Kereta api.
Letter B is close because it says kereta api, but it's kereta api, right?
Yeah.
But kereta api, if I translate it to English, it's fire car, because kereta is car and api is fire. As far as I know. Do you agree?
Yes. Correct!
Yeah. What is the correct translation for ship? Ship. I don't know. I really don't know.
Kapal?
Terbang, letter A. You're pointing to
Kapal?
letter A.
Letter A.
How do you say beach? Oh, we went to beach.
Yes.
Which is?
Panty?
Pantay. Not panty. Pantay. Okay, next. What is the correct translation for house? Rumah.
Remember it's rumah.
Yes. Yes, good job. Okay, next. What is the correct translation for hotel?
Hotel.
Hotel. Good job. You're so good in Malay already.
I want to say bread.
What is the bread is?
Roti.
Very good! Yay! Your Malay is very good. You're better than Daddy. How come?
I'm not better than you.
Okay, what is the correct translation for glass?
Glass.
Glass is?
Glass.
Glass.
I don't know how to spell that.
What is the correct translation for fish?
It's
What
ikan.
Very good, my baby girl. Good job. What is the correct translation for sweet corn? Sweet corn.
Jagung.
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 Yes, jagung. You're so good, ah. What is the correct translation for mango?
Manga.
Manga.
My favorite
Your
food.
favorite fruit, is it? I know you love mango. What is the correct translation for banana?
Pisang.
Pisang. You're so good in Malay. I didn't know. Okay, what is the correct translation for apples?
Ipo.
Ipal. Epal. Epal.
Eat. Apples and bananas.
Apples and bananas. Okay, which word represents this image?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Good job. What is the correct translation for onion?
Onion.
Yes, we buy it from the store. I don't know what timon is. I heard it, but I don't know what it is.
Timon? Is it Timon?
No, it's not. I haven't heard mentega. Cendawan is mushroom. Bawang is onion.
Yes.
Yes. What is the correct translation for grapefruit? Grapefruit.
Tegu. Liu.
I don't know.
Oh, bawang.
No, keju?
Yes,
Keju?
it is.
That's just a guess. What is the correct translation for raspberries?
Raspberry.
So silly question. Which picture shows Cendawan? Oh, I told you earlier, right? What is Cendawan?
Cendawan is
Mushroom. Good
Yes.
job. You're pointing to the right picture. What is the correct translation for green?
Chow.
Hijau.
Hijau. I
Say it prop-
forgot.
Say it properly.
I
You
don't
can
know
read
how
it
to
properly.
spell it.
Yeah, it's hijau.
Yellow is kuning.
Yes, correct. You're very
Wait,
good, huh?
you plus hijau.
What is the correct translation for white?
Puti.
Puti.
And remember, I got all
Tasha
that.
is better than
I'm
me
not-
in Malay.
Not all that from school.
What is the correct translation for pink? You know that? Yeah, correct. Letter?
See?
C. Mera. Jambu.
Cause Mera and Jambu is white and red.
Jambu is a kind of fruit as far as I know. And the color is pinkish, like rose pink. That's why they call it Mera Jambu. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Whoever knows it. Okay? But that's what I learned. Okay? How do you say, where is the shop? Shop is kedai.
Kedai.
Di mana kedai?
Not a kedai.
Okay? How do you say, where is the
Beach.
beach?
Where?
What is beach in Malay? Not panty.
Pantai.
Pantai. Di manaka pantai.
I always
It's the
say
beach.
I forgot.
Shh, wrong. Well, it's wrong. How do you say, I need a doctor?
Here.
I need a doctor.
Saya panakan doctor.
Very good. You're so good. Letter C. Perlukan is need. What is the correct translation for head? Head is in Malay.
Head. So
In Malay is
Kepala.
kepala. Good job. What is the correct translation for leg?
Kaki.
Kaki. Very good. This is kaki. Good
Yes.
job. What is the correct translation of foot? Tapakaki.
Foot. Tapakaki.
What is the correct translation for two? Oh, satu.
Satu, dua.
Dua. Good job. Very good. You can ace this test, my love.
Satu, dua, tiga,
Yes.
empat.
Okay, four
Number
is
B.
empat. Good job. What is 10 in Malay?
10.
Sipulu. Good job. I'm so happy about it. You're so good. Okay,
5 o'clock.
okay, 5 o'clock is
Pulukun 5.
pukul 5. Okay?
Pukul
5.
5.
Pukul 5.
Pukul 5.
How do you say 6 o'clock then? Pukul?
Pukul enam.
Enam. Good job. What is the correct translation for pen?
Pen.
Okay. Last. Or almost there. What is the correct translation for pencil?
Pencil.
Pencil. Letter B. Pencil. Which shows payung.
Payung.
Yes, what is payung? Do you know what payung
no.
is? Payung is umbrella. Letter A. What is the correct translation for book?
Buku.
Buku. Good job. What is the correct translation for toothpaste? Oh, I don't think you know this, but I learned this already. Ubat.
Ubat gigi.
Yeah, ubat gigi. In literal translation, ubat gigi means in English medicine for the teeth. So yeah, toothpaste. Oh, sorry, almost pressed wrongly. What is toothbrush then? Brush is berus, and teeth is, what is teeth in English? In English, in Malay, gigi. So berus is brush and teeth is gigi. What is it? Letter D. Berus.
Berus gigi.
Correct. What is the correct translation for clock?
Jam.
Yes.
Jam. Strawberry jam.
Yeah, we're done. Let's see. Get my score.
Wow.
56 out of 60. Some of it I pressed wrongly.
Daddy,
It's just because I pressed wrongly. And there is one word that is wrong. So
Daddy.
yeah, that's the exam website that I found. So you may try for yourself.
Cause I asked you the
Okay,
question.
bye.
I asked you.
Yes, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye first.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. I love you.